Okay, let's go.
Carnival finally realizes that adults may want a vacation without kids.
Big ships on short cruises.
And big cruising news out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Welcome to Gen X Cruise Life. If you survived dial-up internet and AOL chat rooms, this is the cruise channel for you.
So grab your Jolt Cola and let's go.
So Carnival just launched Carnival Sea Cruises. That's sailings exclusively for adults. That's no kids, more booze, and more blackjack tables.
And they didn't even plan these. These started because of dry dock schedules. Translation, they needed to keep their high rollers happy.
Yeah, this is a love letter to their player club members.
So think late night casino tournaments, longer gaming times, and cocktails delivered right to your slot machine.
It's important to point out, you can't buy your way onto this cruise ship. This is an invitation only for people who have casino credits.
So they're not going full adult only cruises. It's just for a couple of sailings here and there.
Right, it just keeps their casino members happy, people who gamble quite a bit. You know, they've upgraded a lot of things, including the menu, right? A lot of new dishes that you can't get on the regular sailings. Lobster dishes, things like that. There is cruise credits that they're offering them, free room service.
Wi-Fi?
Yeah, depending on your loyalty status, there's a lot of perks for this. If you're a big gambler, this is something to look into and maybe try to angle for an invitation.
So Gen X fam, tell us, what do you think would be the best perk of child-free sailing? Would it be more blackjack time, drinks at your slot machines, better food, upgraded Wi-Fi, or how about peace and quiet? Leave us a comment below. Okay, so cruise lines are pulling in the power move. Instead of sending in their smaller, older ships to go on the Bahama runs, they're sending in the big boys.
Carnival is rolling out the Mardi Gras for 4 and 5 night sailings out of the Bahamas starting in 2027. Royal Caribbean said, hold my margarita, and they're putting the Wonder of the Seas out starting this August for 3 and 4 night sailings to the Bahamas.
Because nothing says a quick getaway like the ship the size of a small city. You're gonna need a Fitbit, you're gonna need a map, and you're gonna need a quick trip to the Betty Ford Center after you're done.
It's not just Carnival and Royal Caribbean getting in on the act. Soon, Norwegian will be sending in the getaway, and later, the Norwegian Joy will join these short Bahamas cruises.
And MSC, they're also getting in on the short cruise mix, which is good news if you like cruising with a side of European flair. Oh yeah, and also the slightly confusing announcements in 5 different languages.
And the kicker? All these itineraries mentioned from all of these cruise lines include private island stops. Basically, the cruise lines are making sure that your Instagram gets its money's worth. So question, would you rather do a 3-day party cruise on a mega ship or a 7-day cruise on a smaller ship? Leave us a comment below and we'll judge you silently.
Okay, plot twist. Milwaukee is building a brand new cruise dock. They're gonna have beer, cheese, and now Great Lakes cruising. This is gonna be their 3rd dock and it's gonna handle much bigger ships.
The new South Shore Cruise Dock is breaking ground this month, $9 million. And by 2026, Milwaukee wants to be a full-on Great Lakes cruise hub.
Bigger cruise traffic, more tourism, and more people to eat their cheese curds.
Milwaukee is already hosting cruise lines like Viking, Pearl Seas, and Victory. So you can already cruise from Milwaukee to places you've never even thought of cruising to.
I love this. Who thought that Milwaukee was gonna try to be the Miami of Lake Michigan?
Well, true, minus the tans and plus a lot of flannel. I think this is great. What do you think?
I think this is great too. We've seen a lot of cruise lines expanding to river cruising here in the United States, and now they're expanding onto the Great Lakes.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And as you mentioned before we started filming, this is great because people who maybe don't want to get on a plane, they can just cruise right over there, no pun intended, and jump on a ship and maybe catch the bug.
That's right.
It's like a gateway drug for cruising, you know?
Plus the Great Lakes they're huge, so it's almost going to be like an ocean experience.
Right, except for the shorelines are dirt instead of sand.
So Gen X question, do you think that cruising belongs in Milwaukee, or do you think it should only be in the tropics in Alaska? Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment below.
Hey guys, we're a brand new channel. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified when a new video comes out.
If you're watching us from your TV, you can still subscribe and leave a comment by clicking on this QR code on the screen right now.
Did you know that you can get arrested at the cruise port for a felony warrant or back child support? And Carnival's pulling out of Costa Maya. Those stories are coming up right now.